Hot Wheels Monster Trucks, Bigfoot. New for 2023 is an all-new look for Bigfoot. And on the side of the package here, it has the Mash and Crash 1 of 4. So this is what little series this Bigfoot is in. And you can see the nice drawing of the picture on the card. Very cool design. And you can see that this is the Power Wheels Bigfoot. Now, half of it is Power Wheels and half of it is just a regular Bigfoot that we've been seeing for a couple years now. That Bigfoot's been running on the Hot Wheels Monster Trucks circuit. In the front, though, I do see some flames, so we'll have to check that out. But before I do, let's go ahead and look on the back of the package. So on the back of the package, we have Bigfoot, the name, then the truck type, pickup strength, car crushing shocks, crash attack, original stomp, and we still get an extra with the Hot Wheels, which is connect and crash car. The other trucks in this series is Bored to be Wild, Steer Clear, Bread Boys, there's Bigfoot, then Land Rover Defender 90, Will Crash It All, 5 Alarm, and also Trolls. So let me go ahead and I'm going to open this package so I can save the card and we'll take a look at Bigfoot. As you can see, I cut out the plastic bubble so that we can see the graphics on the front of the card a little bit better, and it's very cool looking. I really enjoy that, and you probably see something behind it, and here it is, Monster Trucks Oversized. This is the 1/24th scale Bigfoot, new for 2023. Here we go. So in the back here, let me start with the tires, the tires are the same. I should say the wheels. The wheels are white. As you can see, this wheel here doesn't have the beadlock rings. And then in the front are the blue ones, just like this guy over here, this other Bigfoot. So it's kind of half Hot Wheels and half the new Bigfoot, which I wish that they would have just done all of the Power Wheels Bigfoot all one and not have half and half. So back here we have the Hot Wheels Monster Truck logo, Summit racing equipment probably down here. It's so small to look at, but I like the flame job of the Power Wheels Bigfoot, the Hot Wheels logo down below, then big still as the old school look, and then the foot with the newer look for the Hot Wheels Monster Truck. And then we come around to the front on the grill now. Down here on the bumper, it says Power Wheels, which is nice. Maybe you had a Power Wheels Bigfoot growing up. I actually did, but it was all blue. Here we have Monster Trucks, Summit racing equipment, probably Hot Wheels logo, and Odyssey battery, it looks like, of the logo. And then 7468 on the other side of the hood, and the 4x4x4 also right there. Coming around to the other side of the truck now, of the body, still this same design on both sides. On the tailgate, we have Bigfoot Racing Team. Very cool to have that, and that's kind of the old logo, so to speak, with the Hot Wheels. I mean, the Power Wheels. And then we have the orange roll cage chassis, whatever you want to call it. I mean, the roll cage chassis is silver. Excuse me for that, but you can see that the roll cage does come very low, and the seat is in there, but yeah, that roll cage is very low. But here we go now. Up on the top, it says Bigfoot in Hot Wheels. Just one other thing, here is the Connect car, crash car. Yeah, it's very small compared to, the truck itself. Could be a little bit longer, but you do get a little extra here. So hopefully you enjoyed this unboxing here on Monster Truck Classics, and thank you for tuning in.